If you've ever known something was true but couldn't explain why, this is for you. You felt it. Something inside said, this isn't right. Or something said, this is it. But your conscious mind didn't have anything to back it up. So you second guessed. You wrote it off or claimed it was just emotion. So now you don't know if you can trust that part of you. Here's the question. What if that wasn't your mind at all? What if that was your spirit recognizing something true that your mind just doesn't have the words for yet? In this video, I'm going to show you what's going on, why it happens, and why ignoring this is part of why your faith is feeling a little off. Hi, I'm Crystal, and I help women rebuild a faith that actually works, not just the version they were given. There's a part of you that doesn't operate the same way your conscious mind does. Your mind needs information. It learns through repetition and evidence. It needs time. It needs to process, to understand. But your spirit doesn't operate like that. It receives revelation. It recognizes. Your spirit doesn't need a full explanation to know the truth. And it doesn't need all the pieces to understand and make sense of what's right. That creates a gap, a very real gap between what your spirit knows and what your mind can fully comprehend. If you've never been taught about that gap, it feels confusing. Here's what most people do with that gap. They side with their mind because that feels safer. It's more measurable. It's more defendable. It's more acceptable. However, your conscious mind was not designed to lead. It was designed to follow. Now, I want to zoom out for a second. That concept we just talked about, that gap between what your spirit knows and what your mind can fully understand. This is part of something bigger, what I call the steady ground method. And this week we're in the anchoring step, what I call the rooted part of the method, the part where we reconnect with the truth at the spirit level. Because the spirit receives what is true first, and it's meant to flow into the rest of you. But most of what you've been given only speaks to your mind. So instead of alignment, you feel fragmented, like something is missing. But without a framework, people stay stuck in that gap for years. If this helped, and you want to go from knowing what is true to living like it's true, here's your next step. I've opened up a few spots for the unboxing session. This isn't just a talk. It's a private 90-minute one-on-one working session where we build your personal map back to a faith you can trust. You will walk away with 3 things: clarity on the number one misconception that's keeping you stuck, a simple 2-question framework that helps you know if it's your spirit or wishful thinking, and a personal 1-page steady ground action plan for the next 30 days. This is how you stop circling and start building. The link is at the very top of the description. Click it now and book a session. Go steady.